Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad ZAFRAN bin Muhammad TAJUDIN. My team members and I would like to present about renewable resource hybrid system. Introduction. So what is hybrid system? Hybrid system are a system that combines two or more sources of energy generation, storage or end-use technology that can bring many benefits comparing to one single source system. Hybrid system can be combined using one renewable and one conventional energy source, more than one renewable source with or without a conventional energy source that works as standalone or grid connected. If renewable resource of energy not using hybrid system, then the storage that used is standalone and have short lifespan because of the irregular output of renewable energy sources. Technology has been developed by the expert to cope with this problem, which are hybrid system for the solutions. Hybrid system can be complicated, but it will increase the sustainability and energy efficiency. It is recommended using only from renewable resources because of cost reduction and does not emit any gases to the atmosphere. It is more efficient and safe to implement hybrid system. There are several types of hybrid energy system. Wind solar, solar diesel, wind hydro, wind diesel, present for electricity or energy production. We create wind solar hybrid system that use vanadium as the material for the energy storage.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is IZZATI IZNI binti RUSLI and I will explain to you about current system, which is solar power. So, first of all, what is exactly solar power? So, solar power basically is the power that produced by collecting and converting sunlight into electricity. This is the diagram for solar power system. Solar power system involves 4 parts, which is solar panel, charge controller, inverter, and lithium battery storage. So, first is solar panel. Solar panel is a series of interconnected silicon cells joined together to form a circuit designed to absorb sun's rays to generate electricity. Next is charge controller. A charge controller is an electronic device that regulates the voltage for changing battery, which comes from solar panel. Moving on to inverter. Inverter function is to convert the direct current power produced by the solar panels and batteries to the alternating current power required by appliances. And the last one is lithium battery storage, which is to store energy that produced by the solar electric system so it can be used as and when required. Now I will explain about cons of solar power system. First, the purchasing cost for solar system is pretty high. Next, the storage of system is also expensive, and the efficiency of solar power system is dependent on weather. Next is cons of battery lithium storage. First is it requires protection from being overcharged and discharged too far. Next, it is high in cost, which is typically lithium costs 40% more than manufacturing nickel cadmium cells. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is ARASH bin ZAILANI and today I will be presenting about hybrid solar wind power generation. So first, what is hybrid power generation? Hybrid power generation is a system towards the production and consumption of electrical power including more than one source within the context of an integrated mechanism. So this is our generation concept, which has flower-shaped solar panel, wind turbine, battery bank, controller, and inverter. Next, solar panel. Solar panel are photovoltaic, which produce electrical energy by means of solar radiation. Use flower-shaped type for easy storage. Next, wind turbine. Wind turbine is accessible 24 hours a day, and it generates electrical energy as they move by the flow of wind. Next, battery bank. The energy generated needs to be stored, so we need a battery bank. Both energy generated will be connected to the vanadium redox flow battery. Next is controller. Charging controller is very necessary in order to avoid and control overcharging of batteries. Lastly, inverter. Inverter is an electronic device that converts direct current to alternating current, namely the DC to the AC. Advantage: the system testing and comprehension has become incredibly easy. No production of waste, overcoming the drawbacks of the standalone renewable energy generation system, generate even more efficiency as two renewable energy generation systems work together. Installation of the system is simple. Thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is NABILAH binti YAHYA. In this video, I will be explain about the new improved storage energy, which is vanadium redox flow battery to store energy from hybrid solar wind power generation. What is vanadium redox flow battery? Vanadium redox flow battery is a battery that stores the energy by using vanadium ion. It is used as a chemical interaction between materials to store electricity for later use that called electrochemical energy. This battery can store the electric that generate when energies from the sun and wind charge into the battery supply. The vanadium redox flow battery are very beneficial because of having long-term storage with the lifespan of more than 20 years. Can discharge 100% without any damage to the battery and non-flammable. The battery can be recycled more than once per day. This is the reason why we choose the vanadium redox flow battery as our storage energy for our hybrid model. Next is mechanism of our vanadium redox flow battery. The vanadium redox flow battery consists of two tanks storing vanadium analyte and catalyte pump are used to flow this electrolyte through adjacent half cell separated by an ion exchange membrane. Within the half cell, the electrolyte is chemically oxidized and reduced to reversible convert electrical to chemical energy. Next is in the charge state, an external electrical power source are installed to supply the energy charge the battery. The two vanadium electrolytes are flown through the cell stalk, in which the electrical energy is converted to chemical energy. Looking into the cell at the molecular level, vanadium-3 and vanadium-4 enter the electrochemical cell. At the catalog half cell, the vanadium-4 oxidizes to vanadium-5. At the analog half cell, the electron which has traversed the external circuit reduces vanadium-3 to vanadium-2. Next is the discharge state. Once the grid cannot provide energy, the battery system swaps to discharge. Vanadium-5 and vanadium-2 ion carry the chemical energy into the cell stalk. The chemical energy stored within the two electrolytes to convert the electrical energy feeding the external load. At the molecular level, the reverse of the exchange reaction occurs. Vanadium-2 is oxidized to form vanadium-3, and vanadium-5 is reduced to form vanadium-4. The vanadium redox flow battery delivers electrical power until the electrolyte within two tanks is completely discharged. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is MASHITAH binti MOHAMED and I'm going to explain about conclusion. First of all, the main objective of this project was to develop a current system to a hybrid model, which is from the solar energy to the solar wind hybrid energy system. Second, the design of the solar wind hybrid model is able to collect sun radiation and wind velocity all the day to operate the system and also can be stored in battery. Third, solar wind hybrid energy system, the most economic in lowering electricity bill, which can be applicable in village and remote area where the sun radiation and air velocity is perfectly available. Fourth, provide a clean, renewable, non-polluting source of electricity. The function of electrical battery to storage the electrical energy in the form of chemical reactions. Lastly, we chose vanadium redox flow battery because this battery is able to store 17% more energy than the old battery technology and electric operating temperature window above the old one.